The body is always breathing, and the breath is constantly moving. Your breath is not only the best place to start, it's a constant you can return to anytime you need a little centering. In this practice, you will gently find the breath in the body. There is nothing to figure out, there are no problems to solve, and there's nothing special you need to do. Constantly return to your direct experience of the body breathing. You are training the mind to be one with experience without distraction. Find a comfortable position for the body. Sitting is often recommended as it helps keep the body awake and energized. You can also try lying flat on your back or standing. You may sit on a yoga mat, a meditation cushion, or even a chair. Find what feels comfortable and sustainable for a few minutes of stillness. Now gently allow your eyes to close. If you're more comfortable with eyes open, try softly gazing at the floor or ceiling, depending on your position. Allow the eyes to relax and rest on one spot. The idea is to minimize distractions in your practice. Bring your awareness to the abdomen. Relaxing the muscles there, see if you can feel the natural rising and falling. Imagine the body is breathing itself. From around the navel to the obliques, notice the movement with each breath. Take a few deep breaths like this. Now move your awareness up to the chest. As you inhale, tune into the expansion of the lungs and the rising of the chest. As you exhale, feel the contraction and movement. See if you can follow the feeling of the breath from the beginning of your inhalation through to the end of your exhalation. Now bring your attention to the nostrils. The feeling of the breath may be more subtle here. Try taking a deep breath to see what is present for you. You may notice a slight tickle at the tip of your nose as you begin to breathe in. You may notice the breath is slightly warmer on the way out. Rest your awareness on the body breathing in one of these three spots. When the mind wanders, refocus on the direct experience of the breath. Continue to observe the breath for a minute or two. Wrapping up this period of practice, bring this awareness with you in your daily life. Stay in touch with your breath and the body to help the mind remain present.